So guys, we are making oobleck. Which
Oh.
why does my food coloring with water literally looks like jelly?
Looks like jelly. Oh, bubuksan na ni Kuya. Ay, ni Daddy.
Yours looks like oil. Hey, it's black.
Don't open it here now.
Blackish.
Sige, buksan mo dyan.
Oh my god, why is it so satisfying?
Ah!
When I dip my fork in, I expect it to go like. But when I dip my fork in, it just
Oh,
fades
yan muna na.
into the jelly.
Ayan, si Vita, sige. Oh, Kuya. Dahan-dahan.
Careful.
Careful ah.
Uy,
Ganun mo,
ito, dito siya naka-open ah.
ganun mo muna bago mo ibuhos kasi parang hindi
All the
magiging
tears.
dust.
Where do I put? Okay.
Ito
Put
yung
it
open.
downward first. Yan. O then, yeah.
Yeah, why does?
Pitik-pitik mo ganun, Kuya. Oh.
Oh, that's a lot of cornstarch. That's a lot. Ah.
Magiging dust.
No, it's okay, see. Pwede mo wash.
Ganyan, Kuya. Ganyan mo.
My hands.
Twist mo dito. Ganyan.
My hands are
Sige,
dusty.
twist mo dito. Ganyan mo.
Me too. My hands are dusty.
It's okay.
Me too.
Wash na lang, Han.
Oh.
Wow. Okay, we're done.
Mami, gagamin
That's one cup of...
Tigilan niyo akong dalawa.
Hey, wag dyan, anak.
Sorry. I need to wash my hands.
Oh, next.
Okay. Now
Di ba? Isa pa. Tig-isa kayo, di ba?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Okay, can you open it from the middle?
Okay, open it from the middle. Dala.
Can you cut it? How do you put-
Oh, watch out, it's very... It's
Kana, kana.
Can you bring it from the middle? So,
Ay, ko. Ay. Yeah.
why you keep on making my fork fall?
Sige, yan muna. Ganun muna, Kuya.
I
I-flatten mo.
wanna boop it. You wanna boop?
Flat it, Bida. No, not like that. Like this, oh.
Taktak mo yan. Shake it so that it will become flat.
Oh
Two ones,
no.
two ones.
It's,
Hirap
it's,
naman nito.
oh, look at this big chunk. Look at a big chunk.
Sabihin mo nga kay Kuya John Paul, wag ginubol ng ganito. Ang hirap
Oh my
buksan.
god, why is it so like look
Bumpy?
at it. Look at it. So big.
Alisin mo na muna to, Kuya. Remove your bracelet. Baka stain na niya.
No, not like, not there. Ana.
Flat it. I flatten it. I flatten it. Like with my fork. Now, wait.
Here ko lagay, Kuya.
I can't remove
Easy.
this one. This
Ah.
one's my lucky bracelet.
Talaga?
So you can never remove it? I don't remove it.
Ito na lang tayo.
Do you
Yung
wear
pala
it
eh.
while sleeping? Why do you Yes, and while taking a bath. That's crazy. Nails. Get out of there. Get out of there, cornstarch. If the cornstarch feels weird. Ooh, it's so fluffy. It feels. Why is yours more flat? Like, I want to just like. Oh! Cucumber! I need to put my phone under it. There. Ooh, that looks so. Oh! Oh, look at the big clump. That's not even big. It's gone. Vita, there's big clumps of cornstarch.
Pali.
Did you open it? For some reason, I really just want to, like. Please don't. Why do you put
Ah,
the
sorry.
fork inside of it? Oh my god.
Yeah.
I have tissue, my fork.
Mm.
Like, look at my fork.
Ganun mo. Flat mo, bilis.
More
Yun, galing ni Kuya, galing
cornstarch.
Pitik-pitik mo nga,
Here,
Ano mo, pitik-pitik mo.
here. Where did I put the cornstarch? Probably on my phone.
Okay.
Oh my god, look at a big clump.
Oh, next, what will be,
Look
yan
how
muna.
gigantic that is.
Flatten mo muna. Oh, next, what you'll do?
Food
Wag lahat ha,
coloring.
wag lahat ha. Lalagay mo muna konti-konti.
Okay,
Then mix.
Did I
Sige,
put the
konti
fork?
muna.
Did I put the fork in?
Yeah.
Oh, sige.
Mix.
O, tama na
Mix.
muna,
Oh,
anak.
tama muna na. Oh, mix mo muna, sige.
Kasi pag sumobra, no more. Fail
Okay,
na.
Oh, mix, sige. Ah, galing na. Ganun pala yun. Satisfying ah. Satisfying.
Oh,
Ube. Sa ube.
It's not too bad. It's oobleck.
Ublek, ube.
Ube. Ube.
How? Why is there no? Why is it hard now?
Eh, syempre kasi may ano eh, may tubig na eh. Oh, di ba yan na yun? Di ba dapat ganun nga? Sige, lagyan mo pa, Kuya. Sa
Sa
gitna
middle,
na.
sa middle.
Middle. Yan, ganyan.
Ah.
Galing. Sige.
O, go.
Sige.
O, kamayin
Yun na.
nyo.
Kamayin nyo na.
Di ba yan yun?
Yes, I know. Wait
Oh.
lang.
Ayaw, ma.
Oh no!
Oh,
Kuya
okay na yan.
Sam!
Okay na yan.
Tanggal mo muna yan.
Dapat talaga may apron ka, kuya.
Tanggal mo na lang muna
I'll
t-shirt
wear
mo.
the apron.
Kung kailan ka nalagyan.
Please, Zane. Why did you do that?
Bale, okay lang. Ligo na lang uli. Oh, game.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Oh.
Let's mix it. Oh my god.
Lagyan mo na ng ano. Lagyan na natin lahat. Kuya, lagyan mo na lahat.
Yes, I'll put it all.
All, put na.
Wait, wait, I need to get
Put na.
Matigas pala yun eh, no? It becomes stiff.
Ay, keep ano.
Okay.
English lang halo.
Mix.
Four. Oh my god, that's too much. That's too much.
Okay, mix.
O, go. Mix.
Mix.
Yung dito sa gilid
It's
ko.
about to become oblek.
It's already oblek. Oh. Di ba? Mix mo na. Sige,
Not
mix
yet.
mo na muna. Ganun mo. Ganun muna ko. Ganun no.
It's like I'm spreading the water.
Oh, ganun pala yun. Wow. It's oblek.
So
Nagkakontent pa
hard.
si Kuya.
Oh.
It's supposed to be hard.
It's supposed to be hard eh.
Oh,
Balik
Kuya, gananin mo na. Kasi
Kumain mo na.
hindi mo maano yan. Para kay Vida.
no, they don't want to do
Oh,
it.
ayaw niya daw eh. Oh, sige. Na.
Then I won't be able to be oblek. Oh my
Yan
god.
na. Oblix na yan. Sige.
Go.
Mix mo.
Oblek? What's oblek?
Yung move niya nito.
Oh. Oh my god. That was
Diretso ligo na kayo niya mamaya.
Hey.
Oblix.
Oh. See
Mabilis.
that out of the water?
Wala
By
na.
fork.
Mix mo na
Remove
na.
mo na yung
Mix
pork
mo.
mo.
Properly. Alisin mo natin yung pork. Ay,
Ayaw.
tigas nga niya. Ang hirap tanggalin. It's like quicksand.
Yes.
Quicksand.
I don't know.
Oblek.
Wait, this kind of like washing.
Hmm.
Oh.
O, di ba? Oblix na siya.
Oh, it's
Oh.
not like wet.
Okay.
Oh.
Lahat na, pati yung, kunin mo lahat ng puti. Yan.
Yan, ganyan. Para ka nang
Para ka
bibig.
nagbe-bake.
Ikaw din, Kuya. Yan.
Oh, diba?
Slow lang. Huwag mo lagyan ng
Ganun pala
pores.
yung oblek. Oh.
Huwag mo lagyan ng pores para ano.
I don't like it.
Lahat ng mga ano lagay mo, yung lahat ng white lagay mo dun sa
Oh, this is so cool. I like
Don't
it.
put pores, Kuya. Slow ano lang.
Wrap
Para
them and then
wag
just
ano.
mix.
Mm.
Why is it jello like?
Kaya nga, yellow.
Oh, it's already oblek.
Oh, it's already oblek, no? Oo nga, no? Can I touch?
Yeah.
Oo nga, no? Doesn't stick. Oh, galing ah.
It is.
Hey, is it okay, Bida? Ano na yan? Ube?
Oblek.
Wow! It does. It does,
Oh my god, how
no
do you
melt.
grab that? I want to grab it. Oh, I got checked. Look at it. This is so cool. But it's kind of hard to do it. I'm balling it.
Nakulang pa ng tubig. Lagyan mo pa ng
I
tubig
want to
konti.
wash my hands right now. We need more
Put more
water.
water.
Yeah, we need more water. It's so hard.
Give me your ano, Kuya.
We don't have enough water. And food coloring. Why is some of them like crunchy? Like, ooh. Some of
Konti
them
lang,
are
ah.
connecting to
Baka
my
makubig.
hand. Some Kuya
Yan na,
Okay
yan.
na tayo.
Kuya Zane's luck is too bad because look at my chair. Well, let me see.
Okay lang yan.
There's-
It's okay.
there's like some of your
Kalahati lang,
oblak is
Cloud.
there.
Okay, kabila. Okay.
Ooh. Yeah, this is so hard.
Kasi kulang na sa tubig
Look
na.
what I'm doing. So jiggly.
Okay na.
Why is it?
Yan na, ganun nga.
I knew it
Oh,
was
then
done.
suddenly it melts. Oh, that's satisfying. It's really an oblek. Oh, don't put everything
Not
half.
working.
Mga half lang. Oblek na nga siya, Nak, no?
Oh, okay.
Oh.
I'm applying force to
Oh,
it and
konti
then
lang.
it just Can you help me now?
Oh,
Because
konti
I
lang,
can't
ah.
pour it. That's really cool.
Kalis mo muna kamay mo. Dito
Eh.
sa... Ay,
Tita, look at this.
yeah, mix mo.
Ano yun ah?
Tita, look at this.
Oh, wait, wait, oh.
Wait, fork. You don't need a fork. You can just use your hands. Oh, this is so cool. I like it. Okay. Oh, move it to the other side. Why is
Ube nga.
Wow.
Masarap yan, Binda.
Galing ah. Yung pala yung oblek, parang ano na slime, no?
so dirty? It is supposed to be dirty because bro, there's like one
Oh,
connected to
please.
my hand.
Oh, please.
I'm like cleaning my hand because there's a lot of
Ubi cake?
them connected to my hand. I want to grab this chunk. And then instantly it becomes hard. And
Ganun
then,
pala yun, yung oblek. Oh.
oh, it cracks.
Wow! Oh, tapos, wow! Ang galing eh, no?
Why is yours?
It's solid then becomes tubig.
This one's the actual oblak. This one's just like not mixed up. Yeah.
Oo nga.
Now, is it oblak?
Kailangan mo mix
It is
na lang
oblak now.
todo.
It's oblak now.
Put more water, Binda. Kaya ano.
Why?
Mix
I
it
made
well,
like
Bida.
sauce. Look at this. Tita, look
Mix
at
mo na siya.
Look at this, look at this. Soften. It's not so.
Yes,
Oh.
squeeze mo tapos gawin
Why does this
solid
look like
then liquid.
a mint?
Oo nga, no? Parang pochi.
Whoa!
Ang galing, no?
Liquify, bro. Not
It liquefies, no?
This is so cool. I like it. 3, 2, 1. Liquefies, and I can make like patterns. Oh my god, my hand. Look, I can make
Uy,
patterns.
umutok!
What? Oh no!
Tanggal ba yung ano, nabunot? Bili ka cloud ng ano, pansikip ng tubo.
Oh, I got a big chunk.
Yo, squeeze mo.
You say, look, big this chunk is. Oh my god. I
Diyan mo,
can't
dikit mo sa tubig.
Mine's really bad. Why? Why is it bad? It's not really obleki.
It's not obleki.
It's not
What? It's like
obleki.
powdery.
It's not obleking. Not becoming oblek. It's not
Oh, it's like
actual-
Galaxy, no? Vida. Yours like sa Galaxy,
But
no?
this one, but the actual liquid looks like. I need more water. Oh my god, it's more. It's just like more percent of water. Look at it. Look at it.
Aluin mo. I think you're not mix it. Oh.
Oh, this is hard. I'm gently touching it. Oh, here's some over here.
Galing yung mag-experiment, ha? Very good kayo, ha?
Get dipped, bro. Get dipped. Hey, conversation. Galaxy liquid. Okay, I'm scared of.
Oo nga, no? Pag purple pala, Galaxy Liquid. Parang sobra yata tayo sa tubig na. Di
But
ba?
for Kuya Zane, it's strawberry milkshake. Oh yeah, that's
Oo nga, no? That's true.
jello.
Galaxy and strawberry.
Strawberry milkshake. I'm washing mine. This is so cool. Oh, there's so wow! Can I just make oblak to my hand?
Oo naman. Pero mix mo pa. Hindi pa siya
It's kind
halong-halo
of
eh.
runny now. What? It's runny like
Sobra sa
water?
tubig,
No,
ibig sabihin.
Not kind of. Go in the water.
Ang galing, ha?
I'm pushing all of the extra flour, cornstarch.
Cornstarch. Ganun pala ang mangyayari.
Whoa, that's so satisfying. Look at
That's how you make oblek.
Mm.
Whoa! It's nice,
Look
ah.
at this, look at this. Look
I
at
like
this.
doing the ball thingy.
Look at this, look at this.
Could you say punch it?
Ah, but there's
It's sticking.
only
When you
this is
punch.
like this is like water. This is most percent of. Wow! My hand, it's sinking. I wanna. Oh no, the fork. Ite,
Oh.
the fork.
Lagyan mo lang dyan. Sige dito.
Ow. Whoa! This is so sad. My leg's itchy.
Your
Oh
what?
no, my leg's itchy.
Just lamok.
Scratch, scratch.
Scratch it using the wood.
Use my hand or. This is. Ah, it's so itchy.
Is it really satisfying?
I need water. I need water.
Saan?
Why? So itchy.
Mami, pakikamot nga yung legs ni, ano, kuya. He wants to scratch it.
But he can't scratch it because his
This is-
hands.
Oblek scratch.
Yung ano mo, uy.
Wow, this is so cool.
I
Look
like
at this. Vita,
Whoa! It's
Vita, look at
slurpy.
this. Oh my god. It's the extra long noodle.
Long noodle.
Maybe that's how you make noodle, no? Pink noodle.
What is this?
Na-mix mo na lahat, na?
Kind of.
Mix mo nga lahat.
Most of them is just water for me. Oh my god. I'm dipping the.
Yeah, sige, squeeze mo, tapos magiging oblek ba siya? Magiging...
Is
Whoa!
it gonna become
Galing,
like
no?
clay? Squish,
That's
squish,
weird. That's
squish.
weirdly satisfying.
Oh, get off.
Oo nga, no? Yan, no?
Squish, squish, squish.
So
squish,
it means two
squish,
bags.
Squish, squish.
How many
squish,
did you put?
squish,
Two bags
Squish,
of-
squish, squish.
Cornstarch.
And then 1
Please
and a
stay
half
alive.
hour.
No, it's dripping.
Whoa! That's satisfying.
My hands are mostly covered now.
Like
My
ube.
hands are mostly
Our
in
problem
water.
is, will it take off? Can you take it the color off
Maybe.
once you're done?
I hope.
Maybe.
I hope, but because I see my skin color.
Whoa, that's cool. Like, I feel the whole
Daddy,
ground
Daddy, do like this,
shifting.
do like this, do like,
Yan natin.
do like this, do like this.
Whoa! Oh, whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Then Daddy, sink your hand like this.
Oo nga, yun yung gandang ratio na
I
no?
feel it moving for some reason. I feel the whole oobleck moving
Oo
when
nga,
I
no?
dip my hand
Galing, ah.
in. Eating. Once I dip my hand, I feel like the whole thing moving.
Oo. Kailangan mo, I think you need to still mix it. Ano, ito, meron pa dito.
I fill up some water.
Ayun, no?
My hands are now wet instead of
Oo,
Sticky
mix.
because mine is really sticky and it's stuck. Oh my god.
mine's very slippery.
Sige,
Mine is
mo.
kind of
Fall down!
Sige, push mo, kuya.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
mix it.
Mix it thoroughly, ano, no? Yun, ganyan. Like baker.
Whoa! I'm scratching myself and now
Oo nga, it's white. Oo nga, no?
What? Let me see.
It doesn't stick.
Cute.
good thing we can remove it because if we
What if
can't
it's
remove it,
stuck to our nails? So then when we scratch it, it'll just become more.
Oo.
it's kind of
It's right.
Ganun mga anak. Squeeze mo nga. Galing, ah.
Mine's literally just underwater. Like, look how deep it is.
See that?
Look how deep
Totoo
it
na.
is. Use this hand to show how she checks how deep it is. Super deep.
Oo, yan, oh.
At the deepest
Deep?
parts where the real ooblecks were there.
So, nasa ilalim yung ooblex.
Yeah, and the top is just.
Ibida mix na eh, no? It's already mixed, no? Uy! Tanggal.
Did it chunks now? Mine's just water.
Whoa!
Mine's just
So,
water.
ganun mo kasi halo mo yung sa ilalim.
Ew.
Wait, Zane, I think you put too much water and it's runny.
You said it was running one time.
Halo natin ng...
But only a bit and now I
Yeah.
realize it's
I'll
not
help you
runny
mix it.
anymore.
I'm just stabbing it. Look at this. I'm just stabbing it with a fork. Die. So the
I think
fork.
it's still mixing eh, oh. Because it's turning white.
Turning white? Huh?
Yan, no? May white pa.
It's-
Ibig sabihin yung cornstarch hindi pa siya well
And
mixed.
could you Zane's
Is there
and could
more
you Zane's oobleck
food coloring?
Yeah.
there's more food coloring.
Or did they put too much water?
No,
Or
I
too
think
less?
it's not yet mixed properly. See?
Because you're
I'm-
stabbing it.
I'm gonna dig a hole in it
Yeah, dig a hole.
so I can like.
I'll help you mix it up.
Whoa, it's becoming like.
Whoa!
It's
Oh my
becoming
god!
Strawberry white. I'm gonna remove the fork.
Sige.
This-
Oh, di ba?
Why is there so many purple noodles coming out of me? There's so many purple noodles.
There's only like 3 on mine.
Yan na, lumalapot
Yours,
na.
yours is like Venom. Rita's Venom.
You
I'm Ven-
are Venom.
I'm Venom.
Oh, this one's it's now becoming like
Ooblex na, oh. Yan, oh. Sa ilalim
whitish.
kasi.
I feel the bottom.
Di ba? I think you just really need to mix it up.
Ooh,
Ah!
lucky there's no
I
water,
am Venom.
I am Venom. Eh,
instead
ito
of
dami
mine-
pa dito ng ano.
Guys,
but- Oh my god, you're Venom.
Yan na, yung
I am also Venom.
The pink one. Your Carnage. Kailangan si Carnage.
Carnage is red.
But the pink one.
the pink version?
Yeah. Ayan o, meron. Ayan na, Ooblex na o. Oh. Nasa ilalim pala, kuya.
So there's just
Pick it up,
You
please,
just need
and
to
pick it
mix
up. Then
mix
after
for
that,
more. Ayun o.
Bro. Oh, I found oobleck. Why does it remind me of mint?
Pochi.
Yeah, there's a
Pochi?
color.
Like the cat
No,
or
no,
the
it has
candy?
the pochi
The candy.
color. The
The
color
candy?
of the candy.
Ito pa, hindi
Oh.
pa namin mix dun o.
Look. Like, oh, there's
Help me. Help me. Hold on.
like, there's like a stingray. Whoa.
Wow.
What happened?
It's Ooblex na o.
Oh my god, mine's like noodles. Look at that. Infinite oobleck.
It's like a ube flan.
Infinite oobleck
Is it an
glitch.
ube flan?
Infinite oobleck noodle glitch. Okay, there's just this stick. I'm gonna clump all of the oobleck into a pile. Pile up, boys. But there's still some on the sides.
Yeah, tanggalin mo kuya. Galing ah.
I love this.
You love the experiment
Yes, this is so cool.
and we document it.
I want to dip.
Pakita natin
I
kung-
want to dip my hand in yours.
Why? Please don't
To
do
mix
this.
the colors.
No.
Okay, fine.
Guys, look. I'm clumping them all into a pile.
Get this off. Get this off. Okay.
Oh.
Is it fun?
Like, for some reason, it's
Is it fun?
duplicating.
Kuya, is it fun?
Yeah, and moonwalking.
You're moonwalking.
Is it moonwalking?
How about you?
I can't do it.
Can
Yeah,
do it.
because mine's mostly water.
But I think it's turning to oobleck na, no?
Yeah, only the.
Oh, I
under
got a
side.
big chunk, guys.
Wait mo.
Vita, look at this. Vita,
Wow.
I can get a big chunk.
Ano sasabihin mo sa kanila?
That's super cool.
Guys, would you try this at home?
Or maybe
Like the video if yes. Comment down below if no.
Then,
Goodbye,
try
guys.
to make this with a grown up.
ano sabi mo, kuya?
Make sure to make this with a grown up because
Okay.
it's extremely messy and
Oh,
sticky.
yung new butterfly, oh.
Ooh, butterfly.
Look at